Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Nicron N7. Now I was sent this by Nicron directly. They do have an Amazon store. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. And you have one O-ring, and we have one user manual. Now this puts out 600 lumens on turbo. So we're just going to go ahead and open it up here. And if you can see those specs, hopefully you can. Now this will run on 14500 or AA cells, so that's kind of nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Now what's nice about this light is that you can angle it to make it an angle light. Nice style and design on this. Now I had done a previous model of the B74, so I'm not too sure if this is a older model or if this is a brand new model. But in any case, I'll bring it out and I'll show it to you. Just kind of show you a little bit different cosmetically. Knurling on this one and more of a straight rough lines on the body on this one. But everything else appears to be identical. This one here has a black, this has a chrome clip on that. Alright, both are 600 lumens. This is also magnetic, very strong. It's not going to go anywhere easily. It's going to take a lot to knock that off, anything you put this on. So that's really nice. Of course, you can make it into a regular flashlight. Now machining and finish on this is excellent. Not seeing any issues at all. Very nice smooth movement on the head. Not stiff or grinding in any way. So that's really nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the smooth reflector here. This is running the Samsung LED. It doesn't give a model number or anything like that. Just says a Samsung white LED. Try to get a close-up of that. Okay, so now this one doesn't come with a battery like the B74 model did. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the battery that I'm going to be using in this test. And I am going to be running a 14500 cell, well greased on the threads, and also you can run the AA like I stated earlier, but you're only going to have 250 lumens max light output. So we're going to go ahead show you the EFS cell that I'm going to be using. This is the purple cell. 650 milliamp. This is an unprotected cell. I've had some really good luck with these. These are a powerful 6 amp cell, so it's going to do real well for this light. So we're going to go ahead and we'll go through the light outputs here. Alright, now the UI is pretty simple. From on or off, to get to special modes, you're going to press and hold the side switch for 2 seconds. We'll get you strobe, and that is a constant rate speed, so it doesn't speed up or slow down. Then clicking the side switch again will get you SOS. Now if you click it again, it will turn off. Now in order to turn on the light, just click on that. Will automatically bring you to the highest level. Now the beam is pretty nice on the wideness of the spill. Does have a concentrated hotspot, little bit of bleeding here around the edge, but it doesn't look imperfect. But this is going to be a nice wide spill. These little lights are really amazing. Then of course we'll go down from that light output there. And that turns off. 2 levels of light output. And that's all there is to this light. Very nice. I really am impressed with the quality of the Nicrons, and they're really reasonably priced. They do have a special price on their Amazon store for this, is at $13.99. So let's wait no further. Let's take it outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Nicron N7. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. A lot of light output for this little light. That's 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. That's 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. There's the beam on the fence. Kind of give you an idea. Fence line, tree line. There's the tree of life. It is faintly making the tree of life, as you can see. Pretty nice size spill area for this size of light. Very nice. Really like these angle lights. Nice. As you can see, there is a little additional ring of light just on the outside of the spill, but it's not too bad. All right, we're going to go down to the next level. More like a medium. 65 feet, still making it to there. 35 feet to that water spout. Faintly making tree of life. It is faint though. Alright. Really nice performance on this light. Very affordable as well. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. To me, the beam are almost identical. This one seems a little bit warmer, but this one here seems identical as far as light output and performance is going to be the same. So this running only $13.99 at their Amazon store is truly a very nice deal. Now, this being only $13.99 on their Amazon store is really a very reasonable price. Only downside, it does not come with a battery, so you'll need a good quality AA lithium battery or a 14500 cell. I'd recommend for that. That way you get the best run times and the best light output for that 14500. Now really, these are top-notch lights for what you're going to pay for them. You would expect to pay quite a bit more for this quality. Now I want to thank Nicron for sending me this to review. Now if this N7 is something you're interested in getting, I'll leave a link down in the description. That way you can go head on over there to their store and purchase this, should you be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.